Welcome, welcome, welcome. So can you guys guess what we'll be doing today? I'll give you 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Yes, my toes. I'm sure you guys did not expect that. So listen guys, my toes look bad. Okay? And I got these personal nails last month. And I'm like, you know what? My toes need some love. Let me put these on my toes. So stay tuned. Stay tuned, guys. So here are my ugly toes at the moment. I really do not want to show you guys how ugly these toes are. But trust the process. Just trust the process. So I'm going to begin with clipping the toes. Each toe is going to be clipped. Now that all of the toes are clipped, I'm going to begin the filing process to file off all of the excess gel polish and to remove, whatever it needs to remove. Now that I've filed off all of the old gel, it's time to clean the dead cuticles. To remove the dead cuticles and push the cuticles back. So all of this white stuff I have to clean off, and then I have to push this back so that the false nail can fit comfortably and look natural. Okay, so now it's time to select a nail for sizing purposes. Oh, this one looks pretty good. Okay. So off camera I decided to size up all, and I'm gonna apply them. Be right back. Y'all, I know we're looking a little wild, but stay tuned. Okay guys, now that all the nails are on, I'm going to clip and file. We're all clipped. Okay guys, so it's time to file. Here is the completed result. Let me guys know what you think.